If you guys want to see how I got these super cute faux locks, then go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so I just got back from the beauty supply store, but the reason that I didn't film when I was in there is because they're only letting 2 people in the store at a time, and I didn't want to like waste everybody's time, you know, taking my time and like vlogging and showing you guys everything, because there's other people who needed to get into the store too. So I'm just gonna sit here and show you guys exactly what I got. Little mini haul. So this is the hair that I'm gonna be using. This is by the brand Shake and Go, and these are the Cuban twists. So look like this, and I got 3 of them. I got the colors 4, 1, and 2. So like black, brown, and a little bit lighter brown. One of these, this is a crochet needle. These were $14.99 each. So yes, I got some eyelashes. I also got a lipstick and a lip liner. I'm going to, so first thing I'm gonna do is wash my hair, and I'm gonna come back to you guys when my hair is all washed and cleaned and ready to get started. Alright, so I'm coming to you guys with freshly washed hair, and it is all detangled, and it still has a little bit of conditioner in it left. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and take out these little twists I had. Don't mind my dancing. But yeah, this is what my hair is looking like. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my hair and divide it into a front and a back section. Nothing too serious. I'm not parting it too precisely right now. I'm gonna be parting everything neatly when I'm actually doing the section. So here I'm just taking up a little bit of the back, clipping it away, and I'm using this mirror so I can actually see the back of my head, using a little I forget what that is, but yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and part straight across the back of my head, and then I'm gonna divide that into 3 sections. Okay, so each section I'm going to be taking this Curled Unleash Curly Coil Styling Cream, and this is what I'm going to be using to moisturize each section. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that and put it on the little piece of hair, detangle it, make sure it's nice and moisturized, and then I'm going to put it into a braid so that I can wrap the synthetic hair around that. Because I'm back down on my own again. This is the blues I'm playing. So this is the hair that I'm going to be using, the same one that I showed you guys in the beginning of the video. So yeah, I'm just going to take a little piece of it that's already sectioned out, and I'm going to be pulling it apart. So I noticed this hair tangles kind of easily, so you're going to want to pull it apart from like top to bottom, not right from the middle. And yeah, so I'm just stretching it out and making it longer and stretch out. Yeah. So I did get a crochet needle at the beauty supply store, but it's broken, so I went ahead and used a bobby pin instead because this kept getting tangled in my hair. But it basically does the same thing, so I just twisted the hair a little bit to make it skinny, and I put the bobby pin through it like so, and then I'm putting that through like the bottom of my hair, if you can see what I'm trying to do here, and I'm pulling it through, and then bow, your hair is inside the braid. And yeah, so you can like kind of pull it, making it as long as you want or as short as you want, like evening it out. So you're gonna go ahead and stretch the next piece of hair as well, because you're gonna need at least 2 to 3 pieces of hair for each lock. Okay, so I'm struggling a little bit here because I kind of lost track of which piece was which. Bear with me, but you're gonna want to take the piece that you're wrapping around separate from the other pieces and put those together, and then you're gonna want to wrap it around the base of the lock. So as you can see here, it's a little bit too tight. I actually ended up taking it out and doing it again, but yeah, so I'm wrapping it around. Yeah, that's basically you're just wrapping it around and making sure that everything's tucked in neatly, nothing is really coming out. You're also gonna want to kind of like spread apart the hair so that it's wider, and so it can wrap around your hair kind of like not like a wand curl, but like a regular curl. If you ever curl your hair, you know kind of what I'm talking about. You want to wrap it around the hair. So now you're going to take the end of it and you're going to palm roll it. So you're just basically rubbing it in between both of your hands, and that's going to keep everything intact and keep it from coming apart. But I'm also going to go ahead and take my lighter and just burn the ends so that it ensures that it definitely doesn't come apart afterward.
12 o'clock midnight.
Update. Right, so I've been doing this for at least 2.5 hours now, and I have 3 done. Yeah, this is definitely gonna take me. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue to section out my hair. I'm just parting it as neatly as I can straight across my head, and I'm gonna do that for the entire back section. Well, I'm gonna basically do that for my whole head, obviously, but yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Hey guys, so I moved to my room. It's like 1:50 in the morning. I'm tired, and I've only got like, I don't know how many. So this is the next morning. Hi, hello, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how I did it a little bit more in detail. So I'm gonna go ahead, put that in there, pull that through the hair, of course, through the base of the hair, pull through, pull it, even it out, and then this piece that I'm wrapping around, taking it and going around the rest of the other hair and making sure I'm keeping that tight. So remember earlier when I said you want to widen it so that it's like against the hair? See what I'm doing right there? I'm spreading it out a little bit and just wrapping it around after I spread it out. So it's like wrapping around the entire thing as much as it can, I don't know if you really understand what I'm trying to say, but hopefully you can see what I'm talking about. Once you get to the end of that piece and you're going to want to add a new piece of hair, you're going to add that new hair over it just above the end of the next, because you want it to go like over it. Like you want to use the new hair in order to hold down the old hair. So you're going to wrap it a little bit above where the end of that hair is. And it's the same thing. You're just going to keep going until the end and go ahead and palm roll it and burn it. And yeah, this is just me doing it in a time lapse, but if you can see how long it takes me to do just one lock, it's ridiculous. Yeah, this is why this took me like forever. But yeah, I guess just so the entire back section is finished, the whole back. So I'm starting on the front, and all I did was I sectioned out the front already into the braids, and the side I have to do, but I did it so down the middle 3, and then the next row 3, and then the last section I divided it into Hi, so this is the ending result. I am coming back a few weeks later just because I was so lazy to finish these. I'm sorry about that. But this is the ending result. You can see my hair did grow in a little bit. It's kind of frizzy on the roots, but this is how long they are. They were super awesome and fun to have in. I'm showing you just here how easy it is to put it up in a bun. But I really do love this style. It's a great protective style, especially if you don't like doing your hair every single day. It's pretty easy to maintain as long as you just wrap it at night so that you don't get all frizzy. But yeah, it's an awesome style. I really enjoyed having it in, and yeah, I did have it in for like 2 or 3 weeks. I removed the bottom 3 braids because they were super tight and they were pulling my hair. But yeah, that's about it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.